Interactive Investor Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Interactive Investor is a UK-based investment platform catering to both casual investors and active traders. Many assume that full-service platforms have hidden costs, but Interactive Investor offers a clear, tiered pricing model. The platform charges a monthly account fee starting at $9.99, which covers access to a broad range of investment options, including UK and international shares, ITFs and investment trusts. Trading fees vary, a flat $7.99 per trade for UK shares and $10 per trade for international shares. There are no fees for deposits, and withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by assuming flat fees are prohibitive for small investors. The surprising truth is that Interactive Investor's flat monthly fee is offset by the wide range of tools, research, and curated portfolios available. For example, Investing 50 and Diversified ITS provides professional-level tools and reporting for just $9.99 monthly, plus low trading fees. In conclusion, Interactive Investor offers transparent, predictable pricing while delivering access to a full suite of investment tools. Whether you are a beginner or experienced trader, this platform makes it easier to manage investments efficiently.